What I learned about cybersecurity is that very important to protect our personal information online. I realized that there are so many threats like hackers, phishing emails, and malware that can steal our data if we're not careful. Kaya po, need po talaga natin gumamit ng strong and unique password para po maprotekta ng ating account. At huwag po basta-basta mag-click ng unknown links and suspicious messages kasi po baka po ito po yung way nila para ma-hack po yung isang tao. I also learned that updating our apps and devices help keep us safe from new cyber attack, and also cybersecurity teach us to be more responsible and smart habang gumagamit po ng internet para safe ang ating accounts and information natin. Kaya mahalaga po na may kaalaman po tayo about sa cybersecurity para po maiwasan na ma-hack ang ating mga accounts.